Okay. Feeling drained after meals? That's not your imagination. Those mid-afternoon slumps and sugar cravings are often caused by blood sugar spikes and crashes. Today, we're going to be touching on what's really happening inside your body, how protein can be your secret weapon against sugar crashes, and simple snack and meal swaps for steady energy all day. Hi, everyone. I'm Dannie Cade, and welcome back to my weekly Wellness Discovery Show. So let me ask you this. Have you ever eaten what felt like a perfectly good lunch only to feel exhausted and craving something sweet an hour later? That sudden energy crash isn't just in your head, it's your blood sugar on a roller coaster. So let's talk about how to get off that ride for good, what's really happening inside your body, why those afternoon slumps hit so hard, and the simple nutrition strategy that can change everything. So, if you've ever thought there's got to be a better way to fuel my body, you're in the right place. Here's the science of what's happening. When you eat carbohydrates, your digestive system breaks them down into sugar. That sugar enters your bloodstream, your blood sugar spikes, and your body releases insulin to move it into your cells. But here's the twist. If that sugar isn't used right away, it's stored as fat. And with refined carbs like white bread, pastries, sugary drinks, the spike happens fast and the crash comes just as quickly. That's when you feel it. The fatigue, the brain fog, the cravings. So the good news, you don't have to live on that roller coaster. So quick question for you. What's your go-to pick-me-up in the afternoon? Drop it in the comments. I want to see what's most popular. Now, if you've ever thought this is just how life works, you're not alone there either. Let's talk about that cookie trap. I used to think, reaching for a cookie or a coffee every afternoon was just part of being busy, but the truth is those fixes are actually fueling the problem. They give us a quick boost, but the crash that follows leaves us even more drained. And what changed everything for me was discovering how to pair protein with the right carbs. It slows the sugar rush, helps us stay steady, and keeps those cravings from hitting so hard, which brings us to one of the most underrated tools in everyday nutrition, protein. Protein isn't just for muscles, it's for many things, but it's actually one of your best defenses against sugar crashes. By slowing down sugar absorption, it keeps your energy steady, reduces those cravings, and helps you to feel satisfied for longer. Now, when we pair protein with low GI carbs like lentils, apples, greens, or whole grains, we create fuel that works with our body, not against it. So imagine getting through your afternoons where you're focused, energized, and craving free. I just want to do a fun survey with you guys. Let's just see how this goes. Are you more of a sweet snacker or a savory snacker? Tell me in the comments. I'm curious to see which side wins here. Okay, so here's what makes this exciting. It doesn't take a huge diet overhaul. Just a few small swaps can stop that roller coaster. So picture this. Instead of crashing after lunch, you sail through your afternoon steady, focused, and energized. That's what happens when you add the right balance of protein and slow, or also known as complex carbs. It's a simple shift, but it makes a big difference. No more highs and lows, just fuel that keeps you moving at your best. And here's the thing. Wellness isn't just about health. It's about how you feel, how you live, how you look, and even the freedom you create for yourself. Learning how to fuel my body better changed my energy, but sharing it with others also opened a door to earn income on the side while helping people feel their best. So if you've ever thought to yourself, I'd love to do something meaningful that supports others and gives me a little more freedom too, this could be your chance. Just drop the word info below and I'll share how you can get started. Now, you don't have to live on the blood sugar roller coaster. By fueling your body with protein and the right carbs, you can step off that ride for steady energy, better focus, and fewer cravings. If today's tips resonates with you, don't miss our next Vitality for Life show. It's coming up in a couple of weeks, the blood sugar roller coaster. It's actually on October 15th at 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 on the West Coast. And we're going to get deeper into the science, share some practical meal tips, and show you exactly how to get off that sugar crash cycle for good. Drop register in the chat, and I'll send you the link directly if you want to save your spot, or if you're impatient like me, you can just grab the attached link at the end of this show. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about building steady energy that lasts all day. Now, if you can't make it at that time, register anyways, because that way you get the full replay sent directly to you. So thanks for joining me on this week's Wellness Discovery Show. Here's to steady energy, clear focus, and feeling your best every single day. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.